Welcome to the Jones Family Foundation Scholarship Tutorial. My name is Lori Mitchell and I'm with a Common Grant application. And this is going to be a brief video showing students how to use our site to apply for a scholarship. Currently you're looking at the dashboard. This is the page you land on after you log into your account. In order to log into your account for the first time, you'll need to register. You can register by going to the Jones Family Foundation website and clicking on the link, or you can go directly to www.commongranapplication.com and clicking on the green applicant icon. When you're logging in, you're asked if you'd like to go directly to the application or to the dashboard. If you chose the dashboard and you're ready to start your application, just click on Start Draft Application. Multiple grant makers use the Common Grant application site to receive and manage grants, so find the Jones Family Foundation and click on Select Program. They have a few programs on our site, so you're going to want to make sure you scroll down to find the Red Wing High School and the Tower View High School Scholarship. Whichever one you want to apply to, you're going to click on Start Draft App next to that name. I'm now in the Red Wing High School Scholarship application. This is a draft application, and currently I'm on the Introduction and Guidelines page. On the left-hand side there are tabs. These are the different pages you need to go through in order to submit your application. As soon as you're done reading the guidelines, you can use the arrows on the right to move forward, on the left to move backwards, or you can jump ahead on the left-hand side using the tabs. Any field with a red asterisk means it is required. If there's no red asterisk, it is optional. You cannot submit this application until you fill out all the required fields and upload all the required documents. So you're going to enter your student information. You're also going to enter your post-secondary school information. There's a page where you're going to enter information about you. There's also an essay page. This page has text boxes. So for example, Goals and Aspirations allows 2,000 characters. As you type, you can see the character counts go down, letting you know how many characters you have left. Spaces are included as characters. You can write your answers in Microsoft Word and cut and paste them into this program as well. Some of the browsers allow you to grab the bottom right-hand corner of these fields and extend them to make them bigger. The last page is the Documents page. Here you're going to need to upload your transcript. To upload it, just click on the Upload button, click on Choose File, browse your computer, click on the file, and click Save. The last page is the same as clicking on the Preview Check Application button, which is on every page. For this case, I have a big red Not Ready for Submission. Clearly, I did not fill out all the required fields and upload all the required documents. So there's a reason table below. So for example, on the student information page, the first name is empty. I can click on the link here or here to go back to the page to correct it. Once everything is corrected, it does not matter what page I'm on, this button here, the Submit Application button, will turn green, and I can click on it. When I click on it and click Submit, I will receive an application number on their screen. I will receive an email confirmation letting me know my application was successfully submitted, and I can find a copy of it from the dashboard. If you'd like, you can also download your application to a PDF to save it on your files in your computer. You do not have to finish this application in one sitting. Every page has a pause button. You can pause out of the application. You can log out in the upper right-hand corner, and when you log back in, you have a Resume Draft Application link on your dashboard. If you click on that, it'll take you right back into the application where you left off. If you click on Exit Draft Application, you do not lose any work that you've entered. You've just removed that you've been working on that draft. If you did that by accident, just click on Start Draft App, select the Jones Family Foundation, and go back into the application. If you have any questions for the Common Grant application, please do not hesitate to contact us. Good luck with your application.